You guys know what time it is. I made it all to the Asian market. I got me some more red chilies, some garlic, red bell pepper, and I got some mint or Thai basil, Hawaiian basil, Thai basil, and then cilantro, bok choy, and the prices are really good too. Some bean sprouts and green onion because I'm making some more sweet potato noodles with my lamb. It is defrosting in the microwave. Found this beautiful mortar. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's stone, it's a 2-cup size, and I'm gonna make my paste with this. Okay, it's gonna be so exciting. I also got some carrots, guys. I mean, look at this, $3.18, $3.40, $6.07 for all this peeled garlic. I don't have to do the work. Perfect. That's so cute. Okay, let me just start. All right, so I'm going to, I think I'm gonna do 3, 4, 5, 6. It's gonna be a lot of noodles. 7. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. I'm gonna do some chili. Let's put some chili in there. Just take off the stem, pop it in. 2. Maybe make it a little spicy. 3. And so in here, with the chili and garlic, I'm gonna put some salt. Just a little bit. Okay. And London found me this at the Asian market. My palm sugar in minis. So I'm gonna grate some of that into here. Cut it up. I might be able to mortar this. We'll see. If not, I have my grater. Or I can cut it up a little bit. That's what I'll do. Cut it up. There. See how this works. Get excited about kitchen tools. Don't want the juice popping in your face, so the mortar we're just gonna go in and beat. Get a text message. Get that paste. Beautiful. That's gonna be a lot of flavor all on its own. I'm gonna use some green onion for garnish and then some to cook inside the noodles as well. Okay, I'm only gonna need 1 carrot. I feel so short today. What's happening? I feel like I need to stand on my tippy toes to reach the cutting board. What's really happening? I have on the same shoes. Leave these whole. When you take them off, you see the dirt. Rinse them. I'm gonna rinse them again. Just take them off. And while I was at the Asian market, I had to pick up some of my favorite drinks. This is a coconut milk drink with pineapple flavor, and it has coconut jelly at the bottom. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. Lamb. Oh. These are lamb loin chops, imported Australian. So I'm gonna just season these up real good so I have like a bone right in the middle. You're doing lamb today, baby. And this dish will last the family for 2 days. You guys, I forgot to mention, I'm going to be cutting up my zucchini to go in this as well after I marinate my meat. This is the gochujang. I think I'll be putting a lot more on it than you need to be. I'm going to be putting a little bit of this. It's onion and garlic flavor. A little bit of my sweet soy. Some oyster sauce. You guys know I got a cabinet. Don't play. Hoisin, soy, all-purpose. Okay. We've got this, my green seasoning, and my pepper sauce. Okay. And then, don't forget what we muddled up. So this meat is going to be top-notch flavors, okay? Top-notch. So first, we've cleaned it. I want you to see. And for this meat, it's red meat. I love my meat medium. So we're going to sear it in a skillet for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And then we're going to put it in a 400-degree oven and let it roast for like 5 to 8 minutes. And then take them out and let them rest. And then they should be ready to go. I shouldn't need like any oil for this marinade because the lamb is already oily. And then my sauces have oil in them as well. My black pepper. Can you believe I'm almost out of black pepper? So I've had this for a while and I'm almost out. Okay. Put some of this green seasoning, pepper sauce. Come here, babe. Booba, what's going on? And then we're just gonna add a little bit of soy sauce to this. Okay. Then we're gonna add a little bit of our paste. Just because I'm gonna cook it in the skillet. Because these need to sear, I don't want to put too much on them. Okay, guys, I'm just improvising as I go. So we're gonna just mix these up. Get it well incorporated. Look how delicious these look. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator and allow it to sit like this for at least an hour. And then I'm going to chop up my zucchini. It's so crowded in this kitchen right now. I got stuff everywhere. Okay, I'm just going to make it pretty and take off some of the ugly skin. Make it striped zucchini. Like a striped t-shirt. Yeah, but she probably thought they were gonna have a different flavor or something. Did you try it? Yeah, I did. They were okay. They're a little more tart. You don't like it either? I don't want it. I just said they're tart. Yeah. We're searing these on all sides for 4 minutes. Then they'll go into the oven.